Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and proximity. This fixes most simple failures. Make sure the speaker is charged at least 50% and powered on, then enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop. Once done, go to Paired Devices and forget any previous entry for this speaker, so the device will create a fresh connection. Keep both units within 1 to 3 meters. Strong interference from Wi-Fi or other radios can prevent discovery. Now put the speaker into pairing mode. Hold its pair button until the LED blinks. Now you execute the pairing step and adjust settings so the link completes. With the speaker in pairing mode, scan from your device and tap the speaker name when it appears. Wait for a confirmation tone or connected status. If pairing stalls, reboot both the speaker and your phone to clear temporary faults, and on Android, remove Bluetooth cache in settings to force a clean discovery. Also check that any companion app or firmware update isn't required. Outdated firmware can block modern Bluetooth profiles, so update if prompted. You finish by verifying the connection and applying one targeted fix if needed. Play music and confirm sound comes from the speaker while adjusting both device and speaker volumes. This rules out silent output. If audio is choppy, change the Bluetooth codec in your device settings or disable superior codecs. Compatibility issues sometimes cause dropouts. If nothing helps, perform the speaker's factory reset, then repeat the earlier steps. And one key tip: test pairing with a second phone. If that works, the problem is with your original device, not the speaker.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.